This morning, we're talking about the rock-solid structural supports building under Bitcoin and why it's highly improbable this asset is going anywhere anytime soon. Despite the recent dip, BTC testing lows around 66,900 today and trading in the 67,400 to 67,700 range. The foundation is stronger than ever. This isn't just hype. It's backed by real-world momentum that's been accelerating for years. First off, institutional adoption is exploding. Spot ETFs launched a couple years back have pulled in tens of billions in assets, with major players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and now even traditional banks allocating portions of their portfolios. Companies like MicroStrategy have made Bitcoin a core treasury asset, holding hundreds of thousands of coins and continuing to stack through every cycle. This isn't retail FOMO. It's calculated moves by smart money seeing Bitcoin as digital gold, a hedge against inflation and currency debasement. On the network side, fundamentals are unbreakable. Hashrate, the computing power securing the blockchain, keeps hitting all-time highs, making Bitcoin the most secure decentralized network in history. We're talking exahashes per second that dwarf anything else out there. Transaction volumes are steady, with Lightning Network and other Layer 2 solutions handling everyday payments efficiently, reducing fees and scaling for real-world use. Remittances in emerging markets are increasingly flowing through Bitcoin, bypassing slow, expensive traditional systems. Globally, adoption is embedding Bitcoin into economies. Countries like El Salvador made it legal tender years ago, and others are following with reserves or mining operations powered by renewables. Even in the U.S., regulatory clarity is improving. Post-election shifts and clearer guidelines mean less uncertainty, more integration into finance. Think about it. Bitcoin survived bans, hacks, bubbles, and deaths proclaimed hundreds of times since 2009. Each cycle, it comes back stronger because it's not controlled by any single entity. It's a global, permissionless protocol. Why improbable to disappear? Decentralization is key, no central point of failure. The community of developers, miners, and holders is massive and passionate, constantly innovating. Economic incentives align everyone. Miners secure for rewards. Holders benefit from scarcity with that fixed 21 million supply cap. In a world of endless money printing and geopolitical tensions, Bitcoin's role as a neutral, borderless store of value only grows. Sure, volatility will persist. Dips like this week's shakeout are normal, but the trend is unmistakable. Upward adoption curve, not extinction. Looking ahead, post-halving dynamics from 2024 still play out, with history showing multi-year bull phases after these resets. Structural inflows from pensions, sovereign funds, and tech integrations, like DeFi and NFTs maturing, add layers of support. This dip? It's noise in the grand scheme. Bitcoin isn't just surviving. It's thriving as the base layer for the future of money. If you're in it for the long haul, these supports mean opportunity, not obituary. Stay convicted, keep learning, and position accordingly. Bitcoin's here to stay. Improbable? Try impossible in the foreseeable future.